Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. As usual, we just wanted to make sure that you are updated with our signals on the premium signals group. As you can see, May 6th on Wednesday, we have sent these signals, and thankfully all of them except for the CAT GPY has reached the targets. CAT GPY, we sent the announcement with the to close it with 15 pips of loss only. Meanwhile, other signals in the DCHF, 20 pips of profit, Pound USD 120 pips of profit, NZD USD 50 pips of profit, and later on AUD USD 50 pips of profit as well. Then yesterday we sent these 4 signals. However, we noticed that the market has went in high volatility and it was suddenly unstable, and therefore we decided that we should close all of them with break even. However, those who kept these trades running, the 4 trades, they actually went all of them in a deep profit, and that can be shown here with this message we have received from one member. He's saying, "Thank you, Angela, for the reliable forex signals. Even though you advised to close all of them after the market went abnormal condition, I'm still getting profit." Yes, indeed, all of these signals has indeed went in profit later on, and it's okay. We're happy because we kept our clients safe and their money was safe as well. We will not risk their money, and hopefully it's gonna continue keep going like that. So again, it was the week is actually still going very well, and we are doing good this week so far. I will update you on the results on the next weekly analysis video. However, if you wish to join the Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact Angela. You can find her contact details in the description below this video. Contact her today, and hopefully we will see you there. Okay, so let's now move to the live trading session, and as usual, let me just confirm to you first that this is indeed my live account. Let me just drag this one here a little bit to the bottom, and I want to hide where the account number will be displayed. Just wanted to confirm to you that this is indeed my live account on IC Markets live server number 12. So this is the live account. All the live trading sessions you are seeing on my channel are happening on the live account. Oh shit. Guys, just give me please 1 second. I'll be back to you after fixing the recorder. 1 second. Alright, so it looks good right now. Let's clean this one and fix this one. Okay, now let's try to find together, guys, any good setups that we can use in today's live trading session. Actually, as I said, we are going to use the 20 pips a day strategy. That means we need to look first at setups on the 4-hour chart. And let's take a look at the Pound AUD. Pound AUD right now is at the absolute lowest level of the previous support. As you can see, remember we are on the 4-hour chart, and we can see that here the line I draw is at the absolute lowest level of the support. So we are having here already a support number 1. Right now the market seems ranging on support number 2. I need to quickly switch to the 30-minute time frame. And I don't really see any good entry on the 30-minute time frame. Let me move to the 15-minute time frame. If not, let me move to the 5-minute time frame. Nothing wrong at all, as long as you are just trying to find the best level to enter the trades. Actually, I'm convinced that it is actually a good level to start buying the pair. We are 7 pips late. If you look carefully, we can see that on the 5-minute time frames we are having here a support level, and right here it was a support, and we are having here this engulf bullish breakout candle. Actually, the pair is rising at the moment. I think I'm going to place the buy order. I think that should be totally fine. Yes, that should be totally fine. The trade has been placed in the right level. Let me just also explain the reason why. Because right now the pair is stuck between a support, and let me just show you. We are right now actually in a support zone. What I saw here right now is this zone of the support, and here we can see this zone of the support. And right now, as I said, after this bullish engulfing candle, the pair is still inside this support zone. So the pair meaning that means that the pair most likely is going to continue rising all the way up, at least until hitting this previous resistance. That is at least. So it doesn't seem that the pair is able to actually go below this support zone at all. Even when the pair tried or make an attempt to go below the support, it made the immediate jump and it continue the rising above this support zone. So since I'm using the 20 pips a day strategy, let me now just set my take profit to be exactly at the highest level of this resistance, because I'm aiming 20 pips from this trade, and that is almost 20 pips profit we are gonna get hopefully from this trade. At this rate, after analyzing the pair on the 4-hour chart and the 5-minute time frame as well, I don't see the pair is able to break out or actually go below this support zone. It's actually a good practice. The whole concept of hit and run and the 20 pips a day strategy is relying on the bigger time frame to know where is your level in the market, and then you go to the smaller time frame to know exactly where you can place your buy or sell. That's the point. So it doesn't really matter what time frame you are using. You can even use the weekly with the 4-hour chart. It works. Both of them work actually. So I'm trying to find any other good trade. I'm keeping my eyes on the pound AUD. So far it's going in a good profit. By the way, I need to check how much profit we are expecting from this trade. $76. That should be more than fine. So go back to the 4-hour chart, and I'm trying to actually find any good setup that shows a clear support and resistance with attempt number 1 or 2. So far, alright, let's check the CAD JPY. CAD JPY is showing me something very interesting. As we can see, this is the previous resistance level right here, which has been followed later by this bearish breakout candle. That means this resistance most likely is gonna keep its position as a resistance. Now, of course, we need to confirm, since now we are in the 4-hour chart and we know this is the level of a resistance, we just need to confirm on 30-minute time frame if I can indeed place the buy order right here. And yes, fantastic, really good entry. Let me just to show you the reason, my friends. As I said before, on the 4-hour chart, as I said now, we are now on the very same level of a previous resistance level here. Alright, so that has been checked, that this resistance is gonna keep its position as a resistance, and that is on the 4-hour chart. So that has been checked. Now let's move to the smaller time frame. Let's move to the 30-minute time frame. Now on the 30-minute time frame, what we can see right here is this previous support level, and the market is exactly at this previous support level. Check it out. Not to mention that also the very same level was also a strong resistance in the past. Most likely that means that the pair is gonna actually reverse right at this point. And look at that, now the candle is going up a little bit, and that is of course normal, because looking at the previous candle, this candle here, we can notice that the candle has, or the market went up all the way until it hit this highest level of the wick. Most likely what will gonna happen right now is the market is gonna make another attempt just to hit the highest same level of the wick, and then after that it's gonna reverse. So I'm expecting actually that this candle is gonna end or close as a bearish as a bearish candle. It's gonna be a red candle. The market is gonna close, and the market is gonna continue falling all the way until it hit this previous resistance. So this is the normal behavior, that the market is gonna reverse at the resistance, retest the broken resistance here, and then gonna continue growing or continue rising, sorry. So that will be interesting. I want to keep my eyes on this trade. Therefore, I'm gonna pause this video and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these two trades. Looking at the CHF I'm finding also another very good setup, and I placed the sell order, and for some reason, yes, okay, good. Sometimes it happens. Anyway, we can see that we are having here the highest level of the previous resistance, and notice that also the very same level was the lowest level of a support as well. Now, as I'm telling you always, I'm not expecting from the market to fall all the way down like that. I'm just expecting it to give me like a shock of touching this level. That is the behavior of the candles or the market. When the market reaching the highest level of the resistance, there will be a reaction on the candle. It will make like a shock reaction. It's gonna reverse. Then after that reverse, the market actually might continue falling down, or might just reverse at this previous resistance and continue rising. Either way, most of the time the normal behavior of the candles is the reversal. So I'm going to just set my take profit level to be 20 pips, exactly like that. That is 20 pips, and I think it's gonna continue falling more actually to this previous support level right here, and then gonna reverse and continue the rising. However, I don't care for that. What I care is I want to get these profits, the profits from all these trades. So right now the trades are running in loss, as you can see. That's totally normal. Let's just wait some time and I'll be back to you. Let me now pause this video and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with all these opened trades. Just wanted to show you this support zone I have drawn in front of you about the on the pound AUD. Please pay attention to the candle. The candle is not able to break out from this support zone. That zone is strong, and look at the candle. The candle is trying so hard to break out of it. However, the strength of this support here is indicating that this support zone is really strong, and the market most likely will fail in breaking out of it. And I believe that the pair is gonna continue rising all the way, at least to hit the highest top of this resistance, as I mentioned earlier. So that is a good practice. As you can see, look at that. The market is really not able to go below that support zone. That's important for those who are getting freaked or actually emotional when they see the trade going against them. It helps them if they draw the support and the resistance zones to be clear exactly where they can expect the market to reverse. Please check it out. The candle is reversing right now. As I told you, it was not able to break out from that support zone. That indicates that the market is indeed gonna continue rising. One other thing I just wanted to mention to the guys here, that as you can see, I'm entering 3 trades in front of you, but please don't do the same. Just enter 1 trade per day only. As you know, it is called 20 pips a day strategy, not 3 trades a day strategy. So allow me now again, guys, to pause the video and I'll be back to you later to show you the final results of these 3 trades. Alright, so as you can see, my friends, all the trades are going in very good profit so far. Look at the pound AUD, as I told you, it's growing up, it's keep rising. Actually, I'm thinking to close it right now because it is hitting this level of the resistance, and I'm gonna close it right now and accept this profit because, as I told you, there is the resistance level right here, and most likely the pair won't exceed that resistance level. Checking now the CAD JPY, it's also going in profit, 12 pips of profit. It's hitting the previous resistance, $71 of profit, and I have taken that all. Let me tell you about CHF JPY. CHF JPY also on the 5-minute time frame is approaching. Let me close it right now, because as I said, we also have to be realistic about our trades. Look at that, we are having right here a previous resistance, so there was a chance that the CHF JPY might actually reverse. Look at that, now it's reversing indeed. It might reverse after hitting that resistance. So okay, it didn't reverse now. However, we always have to be safe. Don't ever be greedy. I have gained approximately $130 profit from these 3 trades in very short time, only like 12 minutes. So that was a really good session, and it was useful. It was good session, I think. So it helped you guys to understand how we can always use the 20 pips a day strategy, and in very short time, picking the right setups and the right pairs, we can make some really good profit. So it was a short video. As I said, I don't want to make so much long videos, just wanted to share with you my live trading session for today. So in the end, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.